G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today we're going to be tearing down a reel that I bought off eBay, and it states, let me see if I can find it here, oh, just under there, it's a bit hidden. It says it's got 8 ball bearings in it, so I thought, oh, that sounds interesting. So let's have a look, shall we? First thing is we'll take this arm off and unscrew that. Right, that one there. This comes out here. Horrible little bloody blinky thing. I hate these. They're terrible. So, moves past a couple of motorbikes. Rip the top off it. So they look alright. They look the part. It was very cheap. It was about 26 bucks or something like that. Yeah, it's metal. So, yeah, there you go. That's one thing at least. Let's take these guys off. Take this girl off here. $10mm spanner for this guy. Goes anti-clockwise. Off she goes. Off this goes. It's plastic. It's not fibre reinforced or carbon reinforced or anything like that. It's just plastic. Just says 101. Doesn't say what it's made out of. Have a sniff. Nah, just smells like oil. Right. Take these out. Come on, you bitch. Sorry for all the bloody traffic noise in the background. Can't be helped. Normally I have to do my recordings and shit in the middle of the night, so you can't hear this crap, but bugger it. Take off 3 screws on the case and 1 on the inside just there. So that's 4 screws. They seem to be all the same size. Oh, she goes flying. Boom! Right, there we go. And on the inside of this, no bearing. Plastic washer. Plastic bush, I should say. It feels like it's nylon. So, take out this little bitch here. Inside, looks such. Get out. It refuses to get out. I'll pull it out with this, maybe. Out you come, thank you. Of course, no bearing on the other side either. Just a piece of crap. Nylon bush. This is just a cast aluminium gearing. It's probably worth about 10 cents. Made in China or India or somewhere. So, got this thing here. Take him out. Here's another nylon bush. Put that off there. This off here. Come on. That off there. There she is in all her glory. Get that out of the way. We have one bearing, and it's not even a very good one. It's a horrible and cheap one. So there you go, our 8 bearing reel from eBay. Turns out to be a 1 bearing wheel. That's it. So we'll just go through these pieces real quick. We've got the body of it is just made out of plastic. The whole lot, it's just injected molded plastic. The other side, same, injected molded plastic. Amazingly enough, the spool is metal. That's one thing, I guess. Horrible cast aluminium gearing, all nylon bushes all the way through it. Everything, all nylon crap, just for the bushes anyway, except for one bearing right there. So, you know, I guess you could always buy some bearings if you wanted to and chuck them in. I'm not really sure why. I don't think it's going to improve the bloody thing much. It's pretty damn awful. So let's go back out this way a bit. So that's it. That's all our goodies. That's all she wrote, boys and girls. We do have a stainless steel rod there with an aluminium casting on the end. It's a little bit of stainless steel, I think they've managed to put in there. Very generous of them. This has been done on a lathe or a mill. It's bloody just brass. And we've got all the rest of this is all cast alloy, cast aluminium. And that's it. Not much bloody to it. So there you go. Alright, well thanks for watching. You'll be good. Stay safe and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.